So this is wave problem number 6. We're asked to draw the graphs for position and displacement, so that's going to be an XY plot, and position versus time. This is going to be a position. We're going to have t on the x-axis and then a position, which is x, on the y-axis, for a wave with amplitude of 2 meters, velocity of 4 meters per second, frequency of 2 hertz. And then part B is to find the period and the wavelength and label these on the graph as well. So I'm going to start with part B just because we need to put these on the graph anyway. So we're asked to find period. Period is equal to 1 over frequency. So that's going to be 1 over 2 hertz, which is just 0.5 seconds. And then we're asked for wavelength. So we have our equation, B equals lambda f. If we rearrange this to solve for wavelength, we get wavelength is velocity over frequency. Velocity is 4 meters per second. Frequency is 2 hertz. Units of seconds cancel, and we're left with 2 meters as our wavelength. Alright, so let's draw these graphs. This is going to be our XY. The units for these are both meters. And then I'm just going to draw some generic waveform. Now we're asked to label amplitude, velocity, amplitude, velocity, and then period and wavelength. So amplitude is going to be right here. It's 2 meters. Wavelength, because this is our X and Y plot, is right here. That's 2 meters. And then we have it's traveling in this direction with a velocity of 4 meters per second. And then we can draw our position and time graph. Here on the x-axis, we're going to have t for time, and that's going to be in units of seconds. Here on the y-axis, we've got our displacement in units of meters. Again, you're just going to draw some, whoops, that was not very good. Some wave. Now, because this is time, we have that our period is this amount measured from peak to peak. That's a distance, that's a measurement on our axis that's for time, so it's in seconds. And then this would still be our amplitude right here. And then we have still our velocity. So we've labeled our wavelength right here, our period right here. We've got a velocity down, the frequency we could have also put here. 2 hertz. That's just inverse time, so inverse period, so we can kind of put it in the same spot. We've got our velocity and we've got our amplitude in both places.